how to fix export error in KineMaster. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix it. Now in KineMaster, before exporting, just select this one. Now also reduce the bitrate slightly if that option is available. Like this. Tap and save this video. It may help out. And too many apps running in the background can overload your device. Close all the apps, reopen KineMaster and try exporting again. Just like this, delete it and export it again. Try it again. Now make sure you're using the latest version of KineMaster. Go to App Store and search for KineMaster and just update it. It will show it right here, the update button, if it needs updating. Tap and update and it will be updated. If it's still not working, try exporting the sorter section of your video to see if a specific clip or effect is causing the problem. You can also go to settings right here, tap in settings, and here tap and reset app and just reset the app and try it again. And there you go, several ways to fix that annoying KineMaster export error. If this helped, go ahead and like, subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.